have something very exciting to show you guys. I have a shipment. I have actual product. Let me show you. Hopefully the mirror's not dirty, but look what we have here. Actual products. That's what's in these boxes, and let's just open it because I'm excited. They are here. And lots of them. Finally. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go through all of these and make sure that everything is packed properly. And now it's really just the countdown. I got the packaging and everything. And this has been such a long time coming. Like, I cannot wait until I can finally give you guys an official launch date. But I am so excited. Now let me unpack the rest of these and look at them. I just want to look at them. I'm so excited that they are finally here. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna count every one in every box, see how much I have, make sure everything is packaged well, everything looks good, and then start planning for the spring launch, like as far as promotion and everything like that. I know so many of you guys have been patiently waiting for them, and I'm very excited about that, but I also want like literally everyone to know about these robes. So it's a matter of time now. Now, you guys, at least I actually have the physical product. So I'm so excited to talk more about these robes now that I actually have the product. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. I designed the entire robe from start to finish. This is a unique design. You're not gonna see this design anywhere. I mean, unless somebody copies me, because it didn't exist before now. And I'm just excited. I'm excited to do this robe in other colors, other materials, all of it. I'm excited for all of it. All right, so let me count all these out, make sure everything is all good.
Let the beautiful lady start with that more expensive caviar, and I'm going to let you.
Oh no, I'm okay.
He doesn't really like it.
Yeah.
I'm going just to watch what you eat.
Yeah.
Are you really? Mm-hmm. No, because
yeah, I like it. I like caviar, but I want her to try as many as she
taste it. It tastes really good.
Okay, I'll try. Okay.
I learned the most important words. I like it. So that is correct. And you can make a salad.
I like this one, but I like the first two better.
Yeah, that is okay.
Yeah, it's a lot saltier than the other two.
Yeah, it's saltier and it's not so much buttery like the other.
Yeah.
Still good though.
The first one more flavory. The second one more buttery.
Yeah.
Smooth. And you can feel you don't say this fish eggs.
Yeah, I definitely like the first two the best. The first two are the best.
I like the first one.
Oh, you like the first one the best?
Mm-hmm.
Those are like
That is really good. Hey you guys, so I just finished shooting and now I'm about to open some packages. I got one from PR and the other two I got myself, but I'm gonna open them so I want to show you how they look. And I want to see what I got. This one I have no idea. Sometimes I can kind of tell what it is, but the name I couldn't tell at all what it was. And it's something little. I feel like it's beauty for sure because I've been getting a lot of beauty PRs in this little box. Oh, Lancome! This is my first Lancome PR. Nice box. It's Lancome and Mary Phillips collaboration. It says, "Hi beauty, I'm excited to share with you my makeup essentials for that clean girl aesthetic. Lancome's Tea Doll Care and Glow Foundation is my go-to for a natural glowing finish. My secret to perfecting your base is Advanced Genifique Face Serum, a hydration hero that also protects your skin barrier for those chilly temps. Don't forget UV Expert SPF 50+, because sunscreen is your BFF. As for your eyes, accentuate them with Idol liner and coat lashes with Monsieur Big mascara. Complete the look with Juicy Tube lip gloss for that irresistibly shiny power. I can't wait to see the amazing looks you create. And this is Mary Phillips. She's a makeup artist, and she was trending, or I had saw that she became popular, at least for me, with the whole clean girl aesthetic that was going viral. Everything basically that I described in that little note is everything that's in here. The mascara, concealer, which is great. I really want to try this. I haven't tried it yet. Foundation, Tawny Doll, Ultra Wear, Care and Glow. And it has SPF in it, so this is great. I hope these colors are good. We will see for sure though. Juicy Tubes, which I love. This one's called Spring Fling. And then a waterproof liner, just a black one. Did I show you guys this? I got Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate. Love that. So I'm gonna go through those, and then they sent me some like small samples of the Aqua Gel Defense 50 Plus sunscreen. And I'm so bad about wearing my sunscreen, so that'll be great. Thank you, Lancome. I can't wait to try these out. And then I purchased these next couple things I'm gonna show you. I ordered some things from Zara, and they split up my order into 2 parts. I think I didn't check, but for sure they split it up, and one came faster than the other, and I felt like it was kind of chaotic. I gotta try everything on, but let me just show you what I threw in my cart for this order. And the last couple things that was in the other box, it was like a corset kind of style top with like a little cow neck and thin straps. That I got like a super sale. It was like $4, $5 or something. It was definitely under $10. It was so inexpensive. It was like the last one. And then a couple other things, but they both got to go back. Oh, this is way thinner than I thought it was going to be. I got this long sleeve top because it had like an interesting detail, kind of like a piece of fabric that kind of like drapes over it, but it's so thin, which wouldn't be bad if that's what I was looking for, and that's not what I'm looking for. This, I don't like the way this feels. It feels really, really cheap, but it might be better on, because thin isn't always a bad thing. Because these pieces were supposed to be for my spring transition, and this is just like an off-the-shoulder black top. They looked really good on the website. This is a halter neck, like kind of blouse. I thought that was cute. We'll see. It also came in white, but when I made the order, the white was sold out, wasn't available yet, so I have to do like a reminder. I ordered some trousers. I really like this like taupe color. We'll see how those look. And then I feel like this isn't my complete order. I gotta go back and check. And then I saw this 2-piece set, and it looked like it would be comfortable, a cute little 2-piece set for the spring, and throw a trench coat over it. And the top is like a long sleeve, so I'm gonna try all this stuff on. I wanted it to be like some really good stuff, and I would do like a try on haul and all that kind of thing, but we'll see if these will even work out. So this last thing I want to show you guys is actually from a bedding company. It's by the bedding company called Buffy. I wanted to try like some new bedding. Previously we were buying Wamsetta sheets, which I liked, and I liked them because I can just get like the fitted sheet and the pillowcases whenever I wanted to just get those. I don't always buy the flat sheet, so it was nice to be able to, you know, pick the pieces that I actually wanted. So anyway, I can't find Wamsetta anymore. Obviously I was getting it from Bed Bath & Beyond. If you guys know about Wamsetta, they carried it, but they don't have Bed Bath & Beyond physical stores anymore. It's only online. So when I went online, I was surprised to see that they're not selling it anymore. So I don't know what's the deal with that. So I just went on a search and I found this company, and apparently they're supposed to be the softest sheets in the world. And they are very soft. I haven't slept on them yet, but I did feel them. I already opened this package, and I got a pillowcase and then just the fitted sheet. And then I was thinking that if I like these, I'll also go back and get a duvet cover. They also sell duvets, and they had like other things too. So I might try out some of their other stuff, but they had a eucalyptus set of sheets that I really wanted to try. They do feel really soft, so I'm gonna try these out, and they give you like 7 free nights or something like that. Like they don't charge you until like the 7th night. It's like a trial, so we'll see. But I'll let you guys know, and let me know if you have any like sheet recommendations, because I'm always looking. We got a king size bed, and I just want to just invest in really good sheets. And I was gonna get the Casaluna 100% linen sheets from Target, but those were sold out. They didn't have any more in white, and I really like just like simple, clean white bedding, and they didn't have it. So I'm trying these out. I'll keep you guys posted. Okay, so update. I just looked at all the Zara stuff, like really looked at it, and everything's going back. I hate it all. Everything that I got is cheap. Literally one item worked out, and I can't even, it doesn't even matter to show you because it's sold out. But I'll show you guys anyway when I finally, like, you know, put some looks together. But literally everything that was in here, it was like 4 or 5 pieces, it's all going back. It was very thin, it was cheap, and thin isn't bad, but it was thin and cheap. You know what I'm saying? Like, it wasn't just a lightweight fabric, it was thin and cheap. So all of that stuff is going back. I feel like I just need to wash all this makeup off because I'm just, first of all, I'm not even feeling how my makeup is looking, and I'm ready to just take it off anyway because I feel like a headache's coming on. Winston's actually cutting out like Gizmo's food for the week. He's actually meal prepping for Gizmo. A long time ago, I don't know if you guys remember, but I shared with you guys that Gizmo was having some problems with like licking, and some of you said that I should get like salmon oil, things like that, and we did that. But then one night he had like a really bad stomach ache, and he kept going to the bathroom all night. So finally we decided to switch his food back to raw. We had done it before, but it's really hard to, it's not really hard, we just weren't committed to keeping up with it because you gotta plan, you know what I'm saying? Like, obviously when you like buy the food, it's already made, you just gotta, you know, put it together. And we even were on like a meal subscription service. We tried a couple of different ones, and the last one we were on, he was doing a lamb diet and he really loved it. It wasn't affecting him in any kind of way, all of that. So then when he had the stomach ache, it kind of threw us off. We weren't sure what was going on. So we just decided to switch his food back to raw. And it's been working out. His coat looks shiny. He seems to not have any like stomach issues or anything like that. So Winston has been meal prepping his meals, and then during the week I take them out the like freezer or fridge and then just feed him, or Winston will do it too. But that's just with the process that we have been doing. And it seems to have been working out, and Gizmo really loves it.